Somebody shout hallelujah! What the enemy meant for evil, God turned it around. Lift your voice and sing. And the Lord reversed it.
They said the nights would never end. They said the tears would always flow. They planned for sorrow and confusion, but they didn't